Please stand up. Cause I'm Slim Shady, yes, I'm the real Shady. All you other Slim Shadys are just imitating. So won't the real Slim Shady please stand up? Please stand up. Please stand up. Yes, there's a Slim Shady in all of us. Fuck it. Let's all stand up.
Paul, listen. Joel just called me and he told me you're...
Oh! We love you, we love you. How many people are proud to be citizens for this beautiful country of ours? The stripes and the stars for the rights that men have died for to protect. The women and men who have crossed their necks for the freedom of speech. The United States government is sworn to uphold. Everybody to listen to the so we're told. I never would have dreamed in a million years I'd see so many motherfucking people who feel like me, who share the same views and the same exact beliefs. It's like a fucking army marching in back of me. So many lives I touch, so much anger aimed in no particular direction. Just sprays and sprays and straight through the radio waves. It plays and plays till it stays stuck in your head for days and days. Who would have thought standing in the snare, bleaching my hair with some peroxide, reaching for a t-shirt to wear, that I would catapult to the forefront of rap like this? How could I predict my words and have an impact like this? I must have struck a chord with somebody up in the office, cause Congress keeps telling me I ain't causing nothing but problems. And now they're saying I'm in trouble with the government. I'm loving it. I shoveled shit on my life, and now I'm jumping in on white America. I could be one of your kids. White America. Eric looks just like this. White America. Erica loves my shit. I go to TRL. Look how many loves I get. White America. I could be one of your kids. White America. Eric looks just like this. White America. Erica loves my shit. I go to TRL. Look how many hugs I get. Look at these eyes, baby blue, baby, just like yourself. If they were brown, Shady lose. Shady sits on the shelf, but Shady's cute. Shady knew Shady's dimples would help make ladies spoon, baby. Ooh, baby, look at myself. Let's do the math. If I was black, I would've sold half. I ain't have to graduate from Lincoln High School and all that, but I can rap, so fuck school. I'm too cool to go back. Give me the mic, show me where the fucking studio's at. When I was underground, no one gave a fuck I was white. No labels wanted to sign me. Almost gave up. I was like, fuck it, until I met Dre. The only one who looked past gave me a chance, and I lit a fire up under his ass. Helped him get back to the top. Every fan black that I got was probably his in exchange for every white man that he's got. Like damn, we just watched, sitting back looking at shit. Wow, I'm like my skin is a starting work to my benefit now. It's white America. I could be one of your kids. White America. Eric looks just like this. White America. Erica loves my shit. I go to TRL. Look how many hugs I get. White America. I could be one of your kids. White America. Eric looks just like this. White America. Erica loves my shit. I go to TRL. Look how many hugs I get. See, the problem is I speak to suburban kids who otherwise would've never knew these words exist. Cause moms probably would've never gave 2 squirts of piss till I created so much motherfucking turbulence. Straight out the tube, right into your living rooms I came, and kids flipped when they knew I was produced by Dre. That's all it took, and they were instantly hooked right in, and they connected with me too because I look like them. That's why they put my lyrics up under this microscope, searching with a fine-tooth comb. It's like this rope, waiting to choke, tying it around my throat, watching me while I write this. Like I don't like this, no. All I hear is lyrics, lyrics, constant controversy, sponsors working round the
playing, America. You know I love you.
Oh, oh,
Yeah, yeah. Oh.